In this example, we have multiplication of complex numbers, 5i times quantity 4 minus 7i. Let's take a look, and the one thing to remember, again, is I squared equals -1. That is the important part to complex numbers. That's just squared, by the way. Okay, so remembering that fact, let's go ahead and distribute this 5i through to both these terms here. We then get 5 times 4 is 20i minus 5 times 7, 35, and then I times I gives us I squared. But I squared is -1. So if this becomes -1, this negative becomes a positive. We have 20i plus 35, which we then write as 35 plus 20i, because we want this to be an a plus bi form. So there we go, 35 plus 20i for that one. For part B, we have 6 minus 3i quantity squared. For this, I'm going to use the binomial squared formula, which tells us this. A minus b squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Alright, so our 6 is a in this scenario, our 3i is b. Okay, so multiplying this out gives 36 minus 2 times 6 times 3i plus quantity 3i squared. Alright, let's clean this up a little bit. 36 minus, let's see, 2 times 6 is 12, times 3 is 36i, plus 9i squared. Okay, so it's important to put parentheses around these and make sure you square that entire term, not just the I. Okay, well remember, our most important fact for multiplying complex numbers is the fact that I squared equals -1. Alright, so this bit here, that whole thing is -1. So then we can simplify this out to give us 36 minus 36i minus 9. Alright, and finally combine these like terms here. We get 27 minus 36i. And notice that this is an a plus bi form, which is how we want it. So there we go.